Now, the first thing we need to know is that Pythagorean theorem can be used in real life. For example, this is a situation not many people think of because it doesn't really come to mind. But when you're drawing a comic book and you're drawing the panels, you need to know when you're drawing right angle triangle panels how long one side of it will be. For example, let's say that we have a pretty good comic going on right now. Kind of, at least. I want to draw the next panel, but the next panel requires so much detail I need to draw it by myself. So, this is the separate panel, this picture. Now, in order for this picture to fit onto the overall comic book, one side of the triangle has to be 3 inches. This is not to scale. And one side of the triangle has to be 4 inches. Now, I want to get the greatest amount of area, so I'm going to make the length of this side 3 inches and the length of this side 4 inches for the panel. However, I want to know how much of this I have to cut off, or where I'll shrink this image to. So I need to find out the length of this side in order to complete this comic page. How long will this side have to be for it to be measured onto this page? That is the problem we have. So I'm going to give you time right now to do it. Now, how do we solve this? Well, first of all, you need to know the Pythagorean theorem in order to solve the side of the triangle. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A being one side, b being the other side, and c being the hypotenuse. The legs and the hypotenuse. Now, in order for this to work, you need to plug in the values. So what will be 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Now, if you do the math, you will result with 9 plus 16 equals c squared. Now 9 plus 16 equals 25. So 25 equals c squared. Lucky for us, 25 is a square number, so we don't have to do too much work. If you take the square root of both sides, you'll end up with 5 equals c. So 5 will be the length of this side of the triangle. Now, to apply it, all we need to do is take our original picture, draw out the side of the triangle that will equal 5 units. We take the picture that we drew, and now we know we have to cut off this much of the picture. So we can cut that off. And then if we resize it, then you can see that it fits perfectly into the frame. Now we have one of the panels done. Thanks to the Pythagorean theorem.